Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Chef and in today's video I'll show you how to make dirty rice, also known as minced beef fried rice. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the very end and also like this video so others can see it. So I'll first start with washing my rice. I'm using basmati rice. You can also use any rice available to you. So I'll go ahead and wash my rice. I washed it like twice. After washing my rice, I'll go ahead and add salt, crush garlic and ginger, and some chopped onions. This is goat meat stock. This stock is not seasoned. It's just the goat meat and some herbs boiled together. I'll go ahead and add a little more water. That's enough to cook my rice till it's okay. While my rice is cooking, I'll go ahead and put on a pot on the fire, add some vegetable oil, go in with my onions and fry. If you want your rice to have this nice aroma, it's good to fry your onions till it's a little bit brown before adding other things. So I'm going in with my ginger and garlic pressed and fry, guys. Then I go in with my minced beef. This minced beef has been in the freezer for a while, guys. That's why it's strong. So while that is frying on low heat, I'll go ahead and check my rice. And my rice is well cooked. So guys, the beef is melted and I go ahead and keep frying till it's perfect and okay. To infuse more flavor, I drizzle in a little sesame oil. It's actually optional. If you don't have sesame oil, you can still enjoy your dirty rice, guys. So I add in some bouillon cube, bouillon cube, and fresh pepper. I'm using Scotch bonnet, blended Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. This recipe does not really require too much seasoning. So my meat is perfectly fried. I'll go ahead and add my vegetables. I'm adding carrot first and I'm going with my yellow bell pepper and my green bell peppers, guys. So going to incorporate this together. Then I add in my rice, my cooked basmati rice, guys. So you just go ahead and toast this together with the beef stir fried. Mix it properly and allow it to incorporate perfectly well. Dirty rice recipe is a very nice recipe that you need to try. Your kids will love it and your husband will love it too. It's perfect for kids' lunch bag. It's perfect for lunch or dinner. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly like this video, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. The ingredient list and everything will be on the description box. Basically the ingredient list. Okay, there's no perfect measurement for this. You can use any quantity of your choice, guys. So my dirty rice is ready and it's so delicious. The aroma is awesome everywhere. Everywhere is feeling this rice, guys. Thank you, my amazing returning subscribers. I see you all. Thank you for always stopping by. Please recreate this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. I want to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.